Sweet.
Move to the base, tear down the place. It's strictly roots in our veins. Vibe so insane, yeah,
Met Scott at the fly fishing show in January in Bellevue, and we've got some mutual friends, and we're gonna be streamer fishing today, looking for some big trout out here, way in the back country, one of my favorite rivers. It just started raining today. It's been dry. It's mid-September, and so we're just coming in to the early vibes of fall. There'll be salmon spawning up this system, like coho, pinks in the lower system, Chinook salmon in this system. You guys, it's an adventure day. I got Hazel with me, but she'll probably stay in the car today. Let's go chase a big trout. Adventure is here. Boom. This little dog, when I first got here, she ran over to this the side of this bridge, and just in one skip, she just jumped right off and all the way down, at least 20 feet. What were you thinking, Hazel? She landed right on the edge. If she would have been any further.
Road was a little rough. Joel's dog decided to take a bath in the river off the bridge here. Been a pretty wild start to the day. But it is gorgeous up here. We got it.
But to lift up, make our people unite. It's a real one. What a bam bam. Make her feel up on a beat up in your eardrum. One drop come, make her feel real nice. One stop shop, gonna get your mind right. I move to the base, tear down the place. It's strictly roots in our veins. Vibe so insane, yeah, make her move.
Whoa! Yeah, that's a huge fish. I really wish I didn't break my Euro rod right now. Oh yeah.
Come on, drop. Whatever he's saying, it was like a just a monster. Maybe I'll go a little deeper. I mean,
Joel's got one on. You want me to net him? You want me to net him, Joel? Oh, wow.
19 or something?
Wow. That's a beaut.
Pale and kind of glowing. The orange is starting to glow. what I love most about him is that kite, man. Like it's the head on this thing.
Spots. It's just
And the
a gorgeous
spots. Wow.
fins. Oh,
And that's sweet. That's,
so beautiful.
I mean, sometimes they're every other cast in here, man. Like that one definitely, he was inspecting that thing over and over and over. Yeah, thanks so much. All right, you guys, let's release this beautiful bull trout. Here he goes.
Bobber went down.
I'm so insane, make I move to the base. Tear down the place, it's strictly roots in our veins. Vibe so insane, we make I move to the base. Tear down the place, it's strictly roots in our veins. Vibe so insane.